Chapter 45. Most important events in history. Human history is full of pivotal movements, inventions that enable evolutions, events that spark movements, and movements that change the entire world. The list is not exclusive, yet an honest study of the past. Let us read the important historical events. The Neolithic Revolution. The Neolithic Revolution made a shift from hunting-gathering to farming in about 10,000 BCE. When we shifted from nomadic and hunter-gatherers traditions in favor of permanent settlements and farms, not only did it mean a more reliable food supply and more constant sources of nutrition, but it changed the shape of civilizations. This shift planted the seeds of private ownership and capitalism. The end of the Western Roman Empire. The Roman Empire, one of history's greatest and most impactful rule, lasted almost 500 years. It had a great impact on art and culture, science, philosophy, and almost all branches of human knowledge. In 476 CE, it finally lost its last grip of control. The end is often considered as the transition from the age of antiquity to the Middle Age. The Renaissance. The Renaissance was a glorious period in human history that is often described as a cultural explosion of creativity. It began in Florence, Italy, in the 14th century and spread throughout Europe. It was a period of cultural, political, and economic rebirth. The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution began in the 18th century. It began in Britain's textile industry and spread to other fields and countries. The invention of factories powered by machines inspired an explosion of urban growth, increased international trade, social upheavals, new sources of wealth, new systems of authority, and colonialism. The first vaccine invented. In 1796, the first vaccine was invented. It was a medical revolution. We have Edward Jenner to thank for this. In 1796, he used live cowpox virus to create the first vaccine for smallpox.